Alright guys, today welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the basic Hello World program of Dart. So let's start. How Hello World programs we write in Dart. Okay. Here is an example of basic Dart program or Hello World program in Dart Dev Guides Language Tool. Okay. So we open our VS Code editor. Uh, we define the main function. First of all we write the main function. Okay, to write the main function, first we define the types of main function. Okay, first of all we define void main function of our program. So I type the void, so I write main function. Okay, I write main function. I enter it. It's void here. Okay, I remove this. The main function can take the leads or argument. So to write the first hello world program, we type print. Print function is help us to print the something we write inside the print in our terminal. Okay, I type print function and enter. So I give double inverted comma and write hello world. World. Okay, hello world. Hello world. Okay, so after typing the print hello world, we give the semicolon. So we give all right. So we give semicolon in every line except the main function parenthesis and curly braces ending. Okay, so we let's say it. I enter the ctrl plus F in Windows to save the program. So uh, after saving the I start debugging my program. After debugging that I get connecting to, so it prints the hello world in my debug console. Okay, to print your name, you can remove all the hello world in print function inside the print function and write your name. Let's say my name is Harry or Ram. So I type it. Ram is good in programming. So after wrapping it, I save it and run it. Okay, run it. It runs print the RAM is good in programming. So we finally make our first program that prints the RAM is very good in programming or hello world in our terminal. So in next session or in next tutorial we see the variable types or different variable types in our Dart. Okay, so stay tuned and like, subscribe and share. Thank you.